Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design a magazine cover design, something like this. This is what we are going to be doing today, and I've downloaded the model picture already, so we are just going to go ahead and design it by ourselves. Let's get started. So first, we need to create a new page. Let's create new, Ctrl N. You want to create like an A4 paper, so you can come to print, then you come to A4. Yes, we want it white. Okay, set, great. So now let's zoom in a little bit. We are going to remove your background. Tap, enter, select subject. You wait for that to load. Now that you've done that, you can see it didn't really select this particular place well. So you come to your object selection to come to the add selection, zoom in well so you can see it well. Then you move it to the edge that you want it to add. Because that place is quite white, so it's the Photoshop thinks it's the background. That's why I did it like that. So I'm going to do it like that so it will blend well. Exactly. So now you can pick it up and place it in your design right here. Ctrl T to scale it a little bit. Let's put it in the middle. Just scale it more. You don't want it to, shouldn't be too on top. So you want to put it in the middle. Let's say in the middle. You can see the lines there. Place it there. We can bring in some guides. Use the ruler tool, or you can come up here. Come to your view. Then guides. New guide layout. Okay. So we want to do this at 1. Just want 1. And you can put the width at 1260. You don't want the gutter, put it on 0. Margin, let everything be 100. When you start designing, you need to do all of this. All of them to be 100. And okay, so it shows you where the middle is. Click on the layer itself and place it like this. Exactly. So now what we want to do is, when we look at the image here, you can see the white and black in the middle, so let's do that. So we want to open a black, a color fill, solid color. Oh no, we're not going to use the color fill, we're going to use the rectangle tool, no stroke. I'm going to give it a black fill. Let's come here and from our right, give it, should be on the line like this. Make sure your layer is above it. So let me zoom in so you can see it well. Make sure your layer is above it. You can see how like that came out. You can also add the black here. Somewhere here. Like this. And put it at the back of the layer. Doesn't come out. And you can use the polygon lasso tool. Come to your polygon use our lasso tool here. Let me polygon lasso tool, cut it out like this. Make sure you masterize the layer, then Ctrl X to cut that away. Did you get that? Okay, so let's do that. Zoom out back. So first thing, so when we go back to look at this, you can see we have some text. It's really simple design, just text, image, all of that. So let's start with the text. The name of the text is Go Bold. I think we've installed that before. GOBO. Okay, we haven't installed that, so I think you already know how to install fonts in your Photoshop. Where is my Google? Okay, I have not downloaded it. You can go and download. I'm just going to pause for a while, download it and come back. Okay, so I'm just going to come and I've installed my font already. Come to my text tool, GOBO, Go Bold. This is right here, so I'm going to click on it. I'll use the regular one, and I'll say MEN, men's fashion. I'm just going to increase the size so you can see it well. Make it white, and let me edit the spacing between it. Put it on something like 60. Okay, let me put 72 as well. Alright, so men's fashion. Okay, come to your move tool. We created a grid, so everything you are doing must not pass the grid. Ctrl T, scale it down a little bit. Men's fashion. Okay, we have update your looks, designer one. Alright, so come to your text tool. We're going to be using, sorry, let me delete that. I'm going to be using Poppins. Let's say Poppins. No, not on you. Ctrl Z that, and a new layer. Poppins Bold. I want to say update your looks. Update your looks. I'm just going to enter. Delete that. Enter. Ctrl A. Let's reduce that. Let's make it small. Oh, no, not too small though. Reduce it. I've told you how to use the text, so you should be familiar with how to use the text tool by now. Update your looks. Let me keep it on page 6 as well. Then under it we have designers. Number 1, designers, yeah, Ctrl A, take that down. I don't want it to be too small, something you can still see. Go back to your move tool so you can move it well. Okay, so let's reduce the model from 15, so we can have good space between them. It shouldn't be too small, but it shouldn't be too big as well. Yes, you can see the line there, so it shows that it's in the middle. And let's increase the designer's width. You can increase it to like, okay, 24 is too much. Let's say 18. Yes. Let me bring that up a little bit. Number 1, designers wear. The next text is, okay, just number 1, number 2, new collections. Alright, so I'm going to place, first I want to make sure you are not selected on any layer. Then I can click hold and drag it down. Like this. Let me reduce the font and the spacing between it. Yes, something like this. Then you use your move to pick it up, duplicate the two of them, Ctrl J, bring it down. So you just change it to 2 dots, new collection, and we have that. Next thing we're going to add is okay, 2022 and number 3, casual wears. Okay, this the text, let's give it some spacing. Let me make it 12, and even the first one I'll make it 12 as well. I'm just going to tap the 2, bring it down a little bit. I'm going to duplicate it as well, Ctrl J, bring it down. You can skip if you don't want to have to wait for it to go down, like this exactly. Then I'll change it to casual wears, number 3, give it that. Okay, let me add this 2020, say the 2022, then a little icon there, so you can come here. You can just duplicate this particular, update your notes 1 year, Ctrl J, bring it down, then write 20. How do you write the 2022? Okay, 2022. Alright, 20 and 22. Then under it, it's supposed to be a kind of a shape, but we don't seem to have that shape. Take it, let's put it in the middle right here. Make sure it's still aligned. Well, we're going to use 2023 actually. And you can see there's a space right here. We don't want that. Delete, enter. Okay. And do that. 2023. Click on that. I'm just going to go and find it. Paste embedded. Come to my downloads. And write png place. You can see it here, shift. We're going to make it really small. Oh, sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. Let me just lock this one so it doesn't move. And I can drag this down here. You can double click on it to give it a color overlay of white. Click on OK. I'm going to reduce it more. Ctrl T. Scale it a little bit down. Yes. So going to edit that. Let me take my text transparent, take it up. Yeah, so we have something like that. Okay, so what's to face up? Okay, then scale it, Ctrl T, turn it. Click on your shift to get a uniform one. Oh, sorry, Ctrl T. Okay, so we have it like that. Place it in the middle. Bring the transfer down a little bit, right? Go up. Exactly. So now let's look at the other side. When we look at the other side, we have the World Ultimate Men collection. Make you look best. Okay, let's add that text first. You can use this Ctrl J to duplicate it. I'm going to make it black this time. So click on it and can write our text. The World Ultimate Men collection, then make you look, what did you write again? The World Ultimate Men collection, make you look your best. Alright, look your best. Ctrl A. Let's make it all caps first. Then we can reduce the size to like 18. Bring it down. Don't forget it should be on the reduce this as well. Make you look your best, and you can change it. Let it be in this direction. Ctrl Tab, bring it like this and drag it here. Exactly. Make it, you can increase it now. Make it like 24. Bring it down to 24 as well. Let me make it 22. I'm sorry. And this one should be 22 as well. I'm sorry. Something like this. Okay. So now we have the next one. We have, okay, street style, and let us add this was not this way, so let's change that so actually the other way, so like this. So we are going to be the ones who have to change our text. The size they use in the picture is not the same size we're using, that's why it is different. We're going to do like this. No, that's already taken part of it, so you can go ahead and make it like 17. 17. Still covering it. Okay, let's leave it at 16. Alright, and take it to your left. Okay, you can Ctrl J, copy that. Let me zoom on it so we can see what we are doing well. Ctrl J, Ctrl plus. So click on this, Ctrl J, drag it down somewhere like here. We change text to street style. Street style. Ctrl A, bring it here. You can increase the font to 24. Place it, so you can place it here or in the middle, however you like. Let's look at the next one. Street style, then classy. Okay, the street style should be bigger, but you think like that. The left right classy, we are going to use this. Classy, Ctrl A, come here, move the bold so you can see it well. And let's increase the font to like 36. Then we are going to scale it, Ctrl C, turn it, shift to turn it this way, and place it here. Now we are going to extend it. You can use this. So you can have something like this. Let's scale it down a little bit so it's not too big at the same time. Come back to your move tool, place it on the line. Don't forget it should be on the line. We have classy, bring it down, bring the classy. Class it down a little bit. New trends, so we add the text new trends. Let me get my text, so I'm going to use the Google font. So I told you, make sure that, make sure you are not selected on any layer so that you can type a new layer. Go bold, use the regular, GOB, so it says new trends. Ctrl A. Let's adjust that, give it like 36. You can make it on the line like this. Let me see how they did that. Okay, CRE and NDS. Enter new trends. Ctrl A. Make them aligned with each other. So I see what they did. The main trends are, the main trends are on each other, like they are arranged to each other, so we can just come here. Sorry about that. Delete joints. But click on it. We can reduce the name a little bit. Let me see. Let me look at 13. Yes. So they are on the same line. Click on it and bring it like this. Exactly. Okay, let's put our barcode or our QR code. Place embedded. So I've downloaded it already. Place. Let me scale that down. Scale. Okay, make sure it's touching the line and it's not extended. It's okay. So what else? You can see it's not really much, but there's a text at the back, like okay, it says magazine, but the opacity has been reduced. So let's do that. Come to your text, copy this classy one, Ctrl J. So let's click on it. Write magazine. Ctrl A. I'm going to make it white, but we'll give it the ash kind of look. Oh no, I'm going to make it black actually. Then we'll just reduce the fill. Let's increase the size here. Okay, we'll use the scale to Ctrl C. Scale it like this and like this. Don't let it pass the line. I can just come and place it under here and reduce the opacity of it. Reduce the opacity of the magazine, something like this. Exactly. So you can see it. Join straight style. Okay, let's add. We've not added these two lines here. So this one, okay, we can just paste it. We can place embedded name, or we do my downloads. Yes, we do my downloads. So reduce it. Drag it so where you can see it. Let me scale that down a little bit more. Then place it on it like this. Bring it to Ctrl Z that I'm going to drag this. Put highlighting on it. Where it's trying to find it. Okay, this is it. So you can drag it to the line, let it be on the line, something like this. So I'm going to duplicate that, Ctrl J. Click on the right copy, then you can come to your edit text, transform, flip. See, you see that? So you just drag it, bring it down. Let's take it to the stroke style, something like this. Let me look at what they did well. Okay, yes. Let's make it on this side, bring it down. And this one as well should come up. The first one, let it come up. And that's it, guys. We've created a magazine design. You can remove this once you are done. Oh, sorry. Come back to your view, guides, clear guides, so you can see what you've done. And we've created a magazine. This is a cover for a magazine. You can see it. So just know that when you are creating a magazine, you just add the model and add some text and images and elements to it. In the next video, I'm going to be showing us some branded designs. We're going to be doing branding for bag, for t-shirts, for what else? Yeah, mostly t-shirts, bags, and cups as well. Make sure you watch the next video. Thank you.